Welcome, and from me saying Nokia 5.3, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, all you need to do is simply pull down the notification panel and find the battery saver toggle, which for me, as you can see, is right over here. Tap on it, select turn on, and there we go, it's right now enabled. Now I will mention that in power saving mode there is a couple drawbacks. Number one would be the max brightness. It's turned down, turns on dark mode, so if you're not a fan of dark mode, I guess too bad. But most importantly, what it does is disables Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when the device goes to sleep. Sleep meaning when you lock it like this and it's just not doing anything for a couple minutes, it will just simply disconnect from Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, or not Bluetooth, from Wi-Fi and mobile data, meaning that any kind of notifications that you would normally get that requires internet connection, so anything through Facebook, WhatsApp, stuff like that, will not arrive to you till you actually unlock the device. So basically when you unlock the device, it will automatically reconnect and then you will get all these notifications. Otherwise you will have no knowledge of them even like waiting for you, or that someone sent you something. So just keep that in mind. Now additionally, once you're done with it, all you need to do is simply click on the toggle once more and it just goes back to normal. And there we go, that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.